What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going on an adventure to Skilak Lake, and we got the dog with us, and on top of trying to take some pictures of the stars tonight, we're gonna whip up some baked potato soup. Enjoy. It didn't go according to plan. The place that we were going to picnic at, they plowed it, so you can't get over there with the truck. So we parked here. We're just gonna cook it on the bed, let the dog run around, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed making some baked potato soup here in Alaska. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.